Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video I want to show you the RPGMT Crafting Menu Plugin for RPG Maker MZ. This plugin adds a customizable crafting system to your game and gives you two different crafting styles, a recipe list mode and a manual ingredient selection mode. Let's start with the recipe list mode. In this mode, the player can open the crafting menu and immediately see all the available recipes. Recipes that can currently be crafted are shown normally, while recipes with missing materials are still visible but grayed out. This is useful if you want your players to know what they can create, even if they do not have all the required ingredients yet. When the player selects a craftable recipe, the item is created directly. The required ingredients are removed from the inventory and the crafted result is added. Now let's look at the second mode, the manual ingredient selection. In this mode, the player does not choose from a recipe list. Instead, they manually add ingredients from the inventory. The plugin then checks if the selected ingredients match one of your configured recipes. The order of the ingredients does not matter. This mode is great if you want your crafting system to feel more experimental, where players try different item combinations to discover new results. Setting up recipes is done directly inside the plugin manager. Each recipe can have a result item, weapon or armor. You can also set the result amount, decide whether the ingredients should be consumed, and add as many ingredients as you need. Ingredients can also be items, weapons or armors, and for each ingredient you can define the required amount. The plugin also supports unlock switches. This means you can make recipes appear only after you activated a specific switch. You can also choose whether the crafting menu should appear in the default main menu. The menu command name can be changed and you can control its visibility with a switch. Another useful feature is that almost all visible text can be customized in the plugin parameters, so you can easily translate the crafting menu or adjust the wording to match your game. To open the crafting menu, you can either use the main menu command or the plugin command called Open Crafting Menu. And that's it for this plugin overview. You can find the plugin on itch.io with a detailed explanation, and you are also welcome to join the Discord server if you have any questions, feedback, or want to share your RPG Maker project, or join a giveaway. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.